Repair of clothes and household articles is our topic of discussion today. And so, by the end of this topic, the learner should be able to discuss the importance of repairing clothes and household articles, differentiate wear and tear in clothes and household articles, and finally repair wear and tear in clothes and household articles. So, all these subtopics are discussed in the Home Science application available on your Google Play Store. The link is in the description of this recorded class. Consider subscribing to this channel to be notified when we discuss all these topics. So, the reason why we are going to post and attach the link to the complete class in your description once we have uploaded the same. So in the meantime, you can use the application to study all this on your own. See you in our next class.